hood, roof, and
We're
trunk.
just pulling the wing, and it's gonna be the same thing we did with Jacob's.
He's gonna leave the wing?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I mean, the best thing that would look cool would be to wrap the trunk and then do the full all the way around. I mean, I'm okay with it. I just think that it's gonna look good and it'll save me money.
Yeah,
you know
yeah, I'll give him that option. I like the look of Jacob's with the all black trunk. Yeah, I thought that looked really good, but
regular gloss black.
Yeah.
Okay, let's knock it out. Let's get it done. While Johnny's here, let's all three go ham on it.
Yeah.
Just get it all cleaned up and let's do it.
What's up, guys? Good morning. We got this first drop off here. What we're gonna do is actually a lot of stuff, so I'm super excited. We're gonna do the roof, we're gonna do some stuff on the hood. Actually, we're gonna do a full wrap on the hood, and then we're also gonna do trunk as well. So it's a big project. Not only that, but we're gonna do some cool accenting on this wing. It might be a full wrap, it might just be the top. I don't know, you guys have to find out and see.
Right now we are claying up the hood. We're gonna be doing the full hood on this one in gloss black. So just getting it cleaned up, getting it prepped, and then we'll be good to go.
We work our car, we wrap. You know what that is? The steps
of
the truck.
Powers, finally.
Yeah, like, because we have to like jump in the truck. Well, thank you, Emp Research. We appreciate that. I really needed those. Is we're embossing the premium logo on the hood. Thank you to the customer Adrian, owner of the vehicle. He wants to rep our logo and we're gonna have it embossed into the film. When we're doing that, all we gotta do is put a decal down. Doesn't matter what color it is, pink, white, or aqua. And we lay the decal, we'll remove the transfer tape, and we'll wrap over that, and you'll see the embossed logo in it. So we'll show you the effect once it's completed. Yeah, it looks dope.
Only red?
Hell yeah.
I like this and I like the red too.
Cool. Perfect. I'll get that scoop bolted up and the hood's done. We'll lay the trunk right now.
We got the trunk, roof, and hood wrapped. We got this still to go. So if you see, we remove this when we wrap. Obviously, it still needs to get cut out to have all of the lights and camera that are gonna go here, but we're still deciding if this is getting wrapped. The customer didn't know for sure if he wanted to do gloss black or leave it red. I don't know, what do you think? What do you like? Like the red?
I like red.
You like the red?
I like the red because the front has that little, I don't know,
right.
accent.
We did the scoop. I'll show them what that looks like. Customer has like this idea of balancing a little bit of red and gloss black. So what we did in this case, typically we would wrap the scoop. We left it unwrapped, so left it color matched to the paint. We did the embossing there with the premium logo. We also went and did some embossing of his logo. If I remember correctly, he's a gamer on Twitch, if that's correct. If we can find out what his channel is, yeah, we'll definitely put it on the video. But yeah, he put his logo on there as well. It's time for lunch. We're waiting for Johnnee to finish up the antenna, and we're gonna go grab some food real quick. We'll take you guys along, get some food so you can get them food cinematics. Let's go get sushi.
We're working on tits.
A little IG edit for all those people that are not subscribed to the YouTube like they should be. That was kind of never mind, don't use that. Cut. Working on a video, man.
Shit, bro. My truck's big as
You got the trunk trip?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Cool, cool. Top is moving. Orders doing good? Guys, look at all these orders, actually. We normally don't fill up the bottom. All those banners, those shadow black banners, sent out today. Jefe, what are you working on? Staring at your car?
I'm working on the friggin' sandwich right now. You know, I'm also working on tomorrow's vlog and the sandwich.
Today's vlog, actually.
Oh, today's vlog, actually. We're on today's vlog. Oh, here you go. You're gonna need this. So let's do this. All right, ready?
Switching over?
Ready? Switch over. 3, 2, 1. Hey!
What's up? Just in time, this battery already died.
Perfect.
Sick roof wraps, bruh. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a flash sale for these. Did you know that?
Yeah, we're having a flash sale for these. There you go.
Yeah, I don't know if they're really like a DIY friendly one, but they're definitely something that you can come in the shop and get done.
We're going to scrolls.
Oh, he's gonna make us. He's gonna make them not like us, not him.
Do we do newest first or top comments?
Oh, we do new first. We do cop comment and be like, oh.
All right, here we go.
Keep scrolling. Now go up. Go down. Keep going. And 3, 2, and 1. All right.
Premium X Legends, Bauer, Gracie. Hold on, I'm gonna screenshot it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but your name, your YouTube channel's right here. I'm gonna comment right now. What do I say?
Put winner.
Congratulations, you lost.
Put winner chicken dinner.
Daniel. We found a winner.
You got a winner?
Yeah.
Cool. Announce it on
I did.
Dustin Williams' vlog. You commented. Did you write to him?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So all he has to do is email us. Email Lauren Sells at Premium Auto Styling, and you can claim your prize. And that hashtag was
Premium X Legends.
Premium X Legends. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm like way backwards. I'm like
Yeah.
overlapping with these vlogs, so I apologize. We're gonna think of better ways to do these contests, but we appreciate you guys commenting. We're gonna definitely keep giving to you guys. Follow through with every single one of these, so you know it's of high importance to us. That's why I told you guys, go get it figured out. Make sure that people watching the new vlog know that what winner was from the last vlog. So the Legends Premium X Legends. Congratulations.
What's the next one?
The next winner. So what's the next vlog
What's the
about?
next giveaway? That is today. Oh wait, no, that's Dustin's video.
The 3M one?
Yeah.
So that one's like a surprise one. I'm trying to get 3M to do something for that one.
Okay.
And I'll just say it. I'm trying to get 3M to give us a roll of material to give to one of you guys. So I really want to blow the comments up on that one. So we might let that one run for like 2 days. I don't know. Because if I can get 3M to commit to that, I think that'd be a cool thing for you guys to win. I'm so tired. That's all I can say. Long day, but we got this thing done. It was kind of an unexpected project, but we got it in, got it done. Spent all morning, from the morning all the way to the evening time. It's 6 p.m. now. I'll show you guys what we did. We smoked out the headlights. I think that looks really cool. We wrapped the hood in gloss black. We put the premium decal down there under it so it's embossed in. From there we went over, we did the roof wrap. Also embossed the owner's logo, his own personal logo, into the roof wrap as well. Thought that was cool. We wrapped the wing deck and bottom, so both sides of this, in gloss black. Did the trunk in gloss black. And then we also tinted the taillights. We did a custom design with the taillights, if you guys see this. This is all tint here. We left this open where the brake light's at, so that stayed red, no tint on it. And then we smoked out the reverse light. Just gave it a cool custom look. Topped it off with one more of his custom decals. That's the owner's own logo there. Really cool. So I want to throw this out there for you guys because we had a lot of people take advantage of our flash sale, our headlight and taillight tint. That is now over. We're now doing a roof wrap flash sale. So if you guys are looking to get your roof done on your vehicle, we charge $225 to $250 on average. Right now, the flash sale is going for $180 to $200, just depending on the vehicle. So obviously, all vehicles are going to be a little bit different, but $180 to $200 are going to save significantly on that. And all you got to do is call Lauren, email Lauren, sales at Premium Auto Styling, or call us at 888-637-0055. Last time we did a flash sale, we did the headlights and taillight tint smoke at $100 a set, and it just killed it. I mean, you guys all came in, so we appreciate that. So being able to offer you guys some deals on our service, if you're local in California and want to get some work done, come visit us, take advantage of these savings. But also, you know, if you're not available to come to us, go to our website and shop online. Use the code YouTube15 to save 15% on all online purchases. You can buy a lot of the products that we install here for your vehicle and install yourself. We got a lot of DIYs on our Premium Garage channel, which is our second YouTube channel, growing fast, almost at 20,000 subscribers. That one's all about install videos, so you can go over there and watch all the install videos we do. Hopefully help you out with the installs. I'm super tired. I know these guys are tired. Let's end the vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow.